Kelima, who knew that 17 and 19-year-old us would be standing here today? You are my best friend, my love, my soulmate, my home, and my safe place. You came into my life when I least expected it. Meeting you properly for the first time, I was in awe of you. The way you could light up any room you walked into, and your infectious energy drew me closer. When I look back on our journey together, I think about all the memories that have brought us to this day. Laying in bed until 3 in the morning, even though we both had work at 6 a.m, talking about life, our goals, and our deepest, darkest secrets. As our love grew, so did our family. When we had our 2 little girls, I thought I loved you completely until I watched you become their dad. The way you love our girls has made me fall in love with you all over again. You have been my constant. In every season, every change, and every challenge, you have shown up for me in ways that mean more than you know. I have watched you grow into a respectful, caring man who is always striving to be better for our little family and for our future. You are always there for so many, but I promise to be the one who takes care of you when you've given all your energy to others. I vow to be your biggest supporter and to celebrate your wins, to face any challenges together as one, and to use them as an opportunity to make our relationship even stronger. I promise to love not just who you are in this moment, but the person you will become as we grow together through the many years to come. I vow to be faithful and honest, to communicate openly with you, even if that means telling you the real cost of my online shopping. I am so proud of the life and family we have created, and I cannot wait to build many more chapters side by side. I will always choose you today, every day, and for all the days of our lives. I love you.
Hello, Daddy. It's me and Mannequins. We're getting married today. Mummy, look so beautiful. We're going to have happy tears. Mannequins would just say something. Kelima, Mannequins, I love you, Nana. See you soon. I love you, Daddy.
Savannah, standing here today, looking at the beautiful family we've created, I realise that everything in my life has somehow led me to this moment. To loving you, to building a life with you, and to raising our 2 beautiful daughters together. You've been by my side through so much of life already. You're not just the mother of our girls, you're my best friend. The person I trust the most, and the one who keeps our whole world together. Your strength, your loyalty, and the way you love our family is something I admire every single day. To our girls, I promise you this. I will always be a father you can lean on, someone who protects you, guides you, and reminds you every single day that you are loved. And through the way I love you, Mum, I promise to show you what a strong, respectful, and lasting love looks like. And to you, my love, I promise that no matter what life brings, the good days, the hard days, the unexpected days, you will never face them alone, because I will always be right beside you. Always. Today, I choose you as my wife, my partner, my family, and my forever. And I promise that for the rest of my life, my greatest honour will be loving you and standing beside the family we have built together.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. And kiss Mommy now, Daddy.
So life shows us that each minute decision brings people together, or not, over thousands of years and generations. And whilst this is what has led to the first meeting of Savannah and Kelima, love is what keeps them together.
Seeing you and Kelima's relationship take off, I couldn't be more happier for you. I knew deep down he would take good care of you and you him. I'm glad he's the one for you, seeing you smiling and enjoying life with him, along with 2 adorable girls during a time together.
Watching our son grow into a man that he is today has been one of the greatest privilege of our lives. Kelima, you have always had a big heart and a strong will. You've grown into a loving and dependable man. You have proved, not to us, but I suppose to everyone that even brushes shoulder with you, how good of a man you are. You know, we're just proud that everyone comes to us and say, oh, you've raised a good boy. Savannah, welcome to the family. We're so happy to have you. You, Mum and Dad, and the beautiful kids, Eva, Marnie. Since they've come along, our life has been even brighter.
I've had the honour of calling Kelima my brother for a long time now, and there's been a lot of good times over the years. I can remember begging my mum to sleep over, who eventually said yes, and I didn't know it then, but that one sleepover was the start of the best years of my life. Sav has also welcomed me into her home when I want to play Barbies with the girls, and I will forever be grateful for that. I think I'll end my time up here by giving thanks again, not only for today or the lifelong memories, but thanks again for allowing me to be a part of your family. Thank you for calling me your brother, and thank you for being my friend. Let's hear it for the Levi's.
3 cheers to Savannah and Kelima.
To Kelima and Sav, love yous.